Hey, there you are, Blue. So, did you find it? Did you find your greatest gift? So? What is it? Oh, that is so cool. What a day. What a blue moon day. You know what? Blue never would have found her greatest gift if it wasn't for you. You know, you two are lucky to have each other. You and Blue. Blue and you. Great friends. Good night. We love to play. On Nick Jr. on CBS.
Which LeapPad book do you want me to get? Yeah, there's quite a few. Thomas the Tank Engine.
With the LeapPad learning system, there are over 50 titles, all organized in 3 easy-to-use learning levels.
Oh, Scooby-Doo. Dinosaur.
So you'll know exactly which book to get.
So which one should I get?
Can we go through them again?
You can pick up Disney's The Lion King and learn pre-reading skills, vocabulary, and more. Books and systems sold separately, batteries extra. Only from Leapfrog.
Ready to get away and travel? Take all the comforts of home on the road with a small, agile motorhome. From luxury to rugged, our huge inventory is ready for quick delivery. Shop for your RV at La Mesa RV.
I went in for something sweet and found something to indulge the whole family.
This is Go Animate Network. Okay, fire.
No, Jack, please get up. I need you. You can't leave me. Dude. No. 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 Please, spare my life. For the love of God. Please free me for God's sake.
I can do whatever I want, you dumbass. Prepare to die.
This is a test of the emergency override system. This test is conducted monthly at this time. If this were an actual emergency situation, you would be given important information through this system. This concludes the test of the emergency override system.
Kaylee does all of this.
Where is he?
He just went away after I taught him about the word ignore.
You taught my son to ignore? I just kept that word a secret. Now you ruined this jerk a lesson. That's what you get for messing up my son.
Ha, ignore. That's what I should do every time my parents ground me, and I can do whatever I want. What can I get to do first? I know. I will go to the school and invade. Ha 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 ha. This is going to be the best day ever.
This program is brought to you by the following companies.
Playing together as an orchestra is a fantastic thing.
It's really worthwhile. When the audience is excited about the music,
It's a great feeling. It's all worth it.
50 years of the ShopRite Can sale. 50 years of holy cow prices. 50 years of Mom's secret ingredient. 50 years of O's and Mms. 50 years of a little help in the kitchen and a lot of savings in your pocket.
Shop at ShopRite's Can Bash. Now's the time to stock up and save. Now's the time to stock up and celebrate.
Happy 50th Can-Anniversary. Now at ShopRite.
There's a place for vacationers who seek more than just a little time off. The ones who choose to go big or stay home.
Come with me now.
Where every amazing, despicable, wizarding adventure reveals moments that are truly epic. This place is made for those who do more than just vacation.
Go with me now.
It's made for those who vacation like they mean it. Universal Orlando Resort.
Now I'm a man. I spell M.
Hi, would you like a Happy Meal?
They're only little for a little while. Make one more moment to love at McDonald's. Happy Meals just $2.99.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm at Christmas Tree Shops and That to decorate for a summer party.
I love shopping here because I can fill my cart with guilt-free deals and unique finds. Everything from table decor to clever signage. Yes, totally budget friendly.
I love everything I found. Can't wait to decorate and a little something extra just for me.
Today, it's the dawn of a new lawn. That's because Roundup for Lawns has arrived. Finally, there's a Roundup made just for your lawn, so you can put unwelcome lawn weeds to rest. Draw the line. With Roundup for Lawns, there's no better way to kill lawn weeds to the root without harming a single blade of grass. It's a great day to be a lawn. Draw the line with Roundup, trusted for over 40 years.
Reports have just come in. More details to come on this breaking story.
Let's look up what's up with everything so far so we can find Kaylu. Dang it. I got breaking news on the computer.
Guys, we have some news. There was a code red at our school. But unfortunately he has escaped. He has yellow shirt, blue shorts, bald head, and a large butt. If you see him, stop him.
Wait. Who was that attacking his school?
He said it was a criminal who is bald and kinda looks like Kaylu. Who could it be? What?
That was Kaylu. Who else could it have been if it wasn't Kaylu?